Dear students, welcome back to the social science class. In this session, we are discussing more about the fifth geography chapter, industries. So, what is industries? Dear students, in the previous chapter, we discussed about three economic activities, that is primary, secondary and tertiary activities. So secondary activities or manufacturing change raw materials into finished products of more value and utility to people. So industry is the part of secondary activity. Industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with the production of goods, extraction of minerals or provision of services. Thus, we have iron and steel industry, production of goods, coal mine industry, extraction of coal, and tourism industry, it's a service provider. Now, we are discussing more about the classification of industries. Industries can be classified on the basis of raw materials, size, and ownership. Raw material, based on raw materials. Industries may be agro-based, mineral-based, marine-based and forest-based depending on the type of raw materials they use. Agro-based industries use plant and animal-based products as their raw materials. Food processing, vegetable oil, cotton textile, dairy products and leather industries are examples of agro-based industries. Mineral-based industries are primary industries that use mineral ores as their raw materials. The products of these industries feed other industries. Iron made from iron ore is the product of mineral-based industries. Iron is used as material for the manufacture of a number of other products such as heavy machinery, building materials and railway coaches. Marine-based industries use products from the sea and ocean as raw materials. Industries processing seafood or manufacturing fish oil and are some example of marine-based industries. Forest-based industries utilize forest produce as raw materials. Industries associated with the forest are pulp and paper, then pharmaceuticals, furniture and buildings, etc. On the basis of size, industries can be classified as that means listen, it refers to the amount of capital invested, number of people employed and the volume of production. Based on size, industries can be classified into small scale and large scale industries. Cottage industries are the type of small scale industry where the products are manufactured by hand by the artisans. Example of cottage industry are basket weaving, pottery and other handicrafts. Large industries produce large volume of products. Small scale industries use a lesser amount of capital and inferior technology as compared to large scale industries. Silk weaving and food processing industries are small scale industries. In large scale industries, investment is higher and technology used is superior. Production of automobiles and heavy machinery are large scale industries. Ownership. Based on ownership, industries can be classified into private sector, public sector, joint sector and cooperative sector. Private sector industries are owned and operated by individual or a group of individuals. Example, TISCO. Public sector industries are owned and operated by the government. For example, Hindustan Automobiles Limited and Steel Authority of India Limited. Joint sector industries are owned and operated jointly by the state and a group of individuals. Example, Maruti Udyog Limited. Cooperative sector industries are owned and operated by products or suppliers of raw materials, workers or both. For example, Anand Milk Union Limited, Sudha Dairy, etc. Factors affecting location of industries. What are the various factors affecting location of industries? Availability of raw materials, land, water, labor, power, capital, transport and market are the some of the factors affecting location of industries. Industries are situated where all or most of these factors are easily available. Industrialization often leads to the development and growth of towns and cities. Industries are also located in backward areas with the help of government. Industrial system. An industrial system consists of input, processes and outputs. The inputs are raw material, labor, cost of land, transport, power and other infrastructure. The processes include a wider range of activities that convert the raw materials into finished products. The output are the end product and the income earned from it. In case of textile industry, the input may be cotton, human labor, factory and transport cost. The processes include ginning, spinning, weaving, dyeing and printing. The output is the shirt, that is textile. Industrial regions. Industrial regions emerge when a number of industries are located close to each other and share the benefit of their closeness. Major industrial regions of the world are Eastern North America, Western and Central Europe, Eastern Europe and Eastern Asia. Major industrial regions are located in the temperate areas near seaport and near coal fields. Industrial region of India, Mumbai Pune cluster, Bangalore Tamil Nadu region, Hubli region, Ahmedabad Baroda region, Chotanagpur industrial belt, Visakhapatnam Gundur belt, Gargon Delhi Meerut region, Kollam Thiruvananthapuram industrial cluster. So anyway dear students, we are winding up this session. You must read the textbook carefully and attend the live session. Thank you.